All right, we get started. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
This is why. Nope.
A dog, a pretzel, or a spy in disguise?
It's new! Come on, man! No! Oh, God! Clear expression! Do it again.
You've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Nanny's.
Hi.
Say wee.
Water park. Let's zoom me into Puddle Paradise. Buy your tickets now.
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
High five.
Tyson is a bad boy.
Dogs under anesthesia.
I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate. I salute you.
Excuse me, sir.
Too early for Halloween costumes.
Sir.
Anyway, you look more hilarious than scary, doggo.
Oh, there was a spatula here from when I made my
Someone needs a
breakfast. I have to wonder where my spatula went.
no better time to channel his inner Bruce Lee than bath time. Water.
Parkour! 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 Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
Ready to go?
Buddy, buddy. Lukta.
Robinson Crusoe did
Lukta.
Smack my ass like the
dog. This personal massage service is surprising. Highly recommend.
Hey, boy. What's up? Dude.
Awkward moment when you realize reincarnation means that there's a small chance your dog could have been Hitler.
Colby, stop. I said stop! No.
Let me get him in. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold one. Yeah, you that right there. What the dog do?
This kid's too. I'll just brick up. I want to say something close.
Oh my God, tell me what to do. Wee. No, I got some dog food for you, yep. I got some dog food for you, yep.
Me practicing to overcome parents.
A piece of steak. You ready?
Talk about ultimate relaxation. Nature's bed is calling, and this pup is definitely answering.
What do you think? Another piece?
Grumpy bear in his hibernation.
Shit. Stickiness.
Man, yo, Queen, stop tripping. I didn't even like it, man. I didn't even want to talk to Shorty. She just DM me, so I hit her back. I entertained it. Shut up, you lying. I'm sick of it. You want to talk to her, little fat back, 444 Wendy's little chick. Get out of my face. Gone. You wanted her with her little biscuit busted can looking ass, Pillsbury looking ass.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Who chewed my remote? Dixie? Or Sandy?
Are we in the Starbucks line? Yes? Are we? Are we in the Starbucks line?
Looks like someone skipped leg day at puppy school. Eat more to grow more, puppy.
Can Kyla leave?
Kyla's got to go off to college today, buddy. You got to get off of her.
Kyla's gotta go bye-bye.
She's got to leave. Are you sad? You got to get up. She's got to leave.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. Oh.
Who's there?
Okay, come on. Go, guys!
Officer, how you doing? How are you, sir? Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir, Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?